No dia 20 de agosto de 2023, policiais do Condado de Martin receberam diversas ligações de lojas na região. Testemunhas relataram que um grupo de mulheres estavam invadindo estabelecimentos e fugindo com milhares de dólares em mercadorias. Depois de furtarem no mínimo 3 lojas, o grupo foi visto em uma unidade da Dix, uma loja de esportes. As suspeitas levaram mais de 4 mil dólares em produtos variados e quase derrubaram algumas pessoas ao fugirem do local. Enquanto os policiais se dirigiam até a loja, receberam uma ligação de um policial de folga que testemunhou o furto e estava seguindo o carro das suspeitas. Ele passou a descrição do veículo e a direção em que estava fugindo, informações que foram essenciais a agilizar a resposta das autoridades.
Right there. Middle lane. Middle lane. You got eyes? Yep. There. Good sticks. Good sticks. Alpha 12 behind the vehicle, southbound Federal Highway. Good hit on the sticks, good hit on the sticks. Passenger side tires are going flat, approaching Palm City Road. Stewart unit back on. Southbound Palm City Road, getting ready to go back. Missed the pit. Hands out the window! Get him out! Get him out! Oh, out! Hands out the window! Out! Out! Turn away! Out! On the ground! Ground! On the ground now! Hold him here. Hold him here for now. Shoot off.
I got it.
Thank you. I've got one more. Nice shot. Good job. Clear.
You got my phone in here too. You get paid.
Do you have anything on you?
I have my phone.
Which phone?
And can you get my purse out the car, please? We all going to the same facility?
One of mine is 45, Did you get this over here, Sheila?
No, not yet. Not those two in the front.
Alright, so hey, 60, and I think this was 60. Yeah, 60 and 60. So you got it basically.
Is the little Louis Vuitton purse going to stay?
Alright.
Unless you want to take it with the purse.
Does that have a price tag? You could probably just take it and then give it to them at the jail, right? Yeah. Yeah, we'll do the phones.
Are we taking cash or leaving cash?
Leaving cash. Because we don't have that. Hey, so we're grabbing the person now. There's at least some cash in there. Let me grab the cash for you.
Oh, I'm not taking it.
No, that's what I'm saying.
So this one will leave. Oh, are we going to send it to the car? So we want to take all the clothes back to Dick's, take a photo real quick.
Get up.
And then I'll run them all back to
photos,
Dick's.
we took pictures of where they were, so we can just take it back to them.
So if we want to throw them all in backseat of my car.
Do you have anybody in yours?
No, they're all in yours. Out and take photos of them, right?
Homie still do that when he does the inventory.
Yeah.
I'll help you grab them. I already documented all the price tags and everything else.
Where were you sitting in the car?
Passenger.
Passenger?
Obviously, you know why we're trying to stop you guys. I'm going to read you your rights in just a minute. We're going to talk for a minute, okay? And then I'll give you whatever information you need, okay? How old are you?
I just turned 19.
19? Okay.
Have a nice day over here.
All right, I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand? I'm going to shut this door for a minute. I'm going to turn the AC up for you, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Do you have any questions for me?
Can you turn the AC on?
Yeah, let me get the AC. I came shallow. All right, so fill me in. What's going on?
Basically,
You were a passenger, right? You weren't a driver?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, who was driving?
All of us sisters, basically. So the youngest sister was
Like blood sisters?
Yeah, all of
Okay.
us. The
Same
black
mom,
one,
like-
yeah.
Okay.
The black one not related to us, but we grew up with her too. So.
Oh, okay, I got you. All right, so what happened today?
Basically, we all trying to get back ready for school. And,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So there's like back to school stuff?
Have a nice day, huh?
Well, you know, then things happen.
Did you guys already get them, or?
Oh, nice.
Just stop it.
Okay, we got it. Spiked him, pitted him. Welcome to Martin County.
Yep. You guys spiked them? Like tire thing?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we got stingers, so.
It was 4 females,
Okay.
and I don't know, they probably had a driver, but when they were in the store, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm going to take a run for the registers and scan it right in there, and then we can...
We'll just go from one shopping cart to the next.
yeah,
so
we're
we
just
know
going to
piece
run a
by piece.
receipt.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Fling the lid, IDL on the driver.
Oh, nice. Was there 4 people or 5?
Yep, we got 4.
So one of them was the driver, so they didn't have a separate driver.
As irmãs foram acusadas de furto qualificado após os policiais encontrarem mais de 4 mil dólares em produtos dentro do veículo que estavam, o equivalente a mais de 20 mil reais. Os policiais também encontraram outros produtos roubados de diferentes lojas na região. As 4 irmãs adolescentes, uma de 19 anos e 3 de 17, foram sentenciadas a 3 anos de liberdade condicional.